Hi there, let's go over how to process a pickup order in the POS. As we can see in the contact section, the system defaults to guest customer. We can easily submit an order using guest contact information, but it's typically best practice to find or create a contact when submitting an order. Some contacts, like club members, may have a discount associated with their account that won't be applied if their order is processed under guest customer. By clicking anywhere within the customer section, we can choose to find or add a new contact. We can add a new contact for new customers and input their information. If needed, we can also select Add More Info and enter an address, but we'll go over this later in how to submit a shipping order. When searching for a contact, it's typically best to enter only a couple of letters for the first name and a couple of letters for the last name, just in case we see any duplicates or we misspell their name. Once we find the correct contact and press select, their information is automatically populated into the customer section. Now that we have our customer information done, we can start building their order. Simply click on an item to add it to the cart. By clicking on an item multiple times, we can add multiple items to the cart. We can also adjust the quantity by selecting the product in the cart and adding or subtracting accordingly. In this window, we can also override the price, which also overrides any promos, and remove the item from the shopping cart. The Clear Cart button within the shopping cart not only clears the entire cart, but also clears customer information. We can also navigate to other products by selecting different pages within the POS, or by selecting the magnifying glass and searching the product's name. By selecting the coupon button, we can add discounts to the order if needed. If a customer has multiple discounts on their order, the system will apply the discount with the highest monetary value. If we try to add a promo that the customer isn't qualified for, a message will appear letting you know the coupon can't be applied. If needed, we can also remove all coupons from the order. But once we've removed coupons from the order, they can't be added back. Instead, we need to start the order from scratch. Once the order's ready, we can select the green Charge button to process payment. Within this window, we can choose the payment option, such as cash, card on file, swipe a new card, or split the payment if needed. Within the payment window, we can also adjust the order information by selecting Additional Order Info. Here we can adjust the sales associate and the order type if needed. If the customer is paying with a card, you can simply swipe it and proceed. If you've entered the customer's credit card information for the order, but they haven't signed yet, it's not too late to go back and make alterations to the order. Using the Cancel buttons, you can navigate back to the main payment screen, allowing you to either change the payment method, or you can use the Cancel button on the payment screen to go back to the POS page to add or remove items from the order. Once you've made your adjustments, you can make your way back to the payment screen. Depending on company preference, the signature screen may or may not include a tip line. The tip line will only appear for credit card transactions. Once the payment has been processed, customers have the option of printing a receipt or emailing a receipt. They can also opt in to company emails if they choose. We've now successfully processed a pickup order. See you in the next video to process a shipping order.